Along with the increase in the ability of aviation to perform night combat flights, it was necessary to equip motor vehicles with devices that would illuminate the road during night driving, and at the same time mask the light source in such a way that it was not visible to aircraft crews. Methods were used, ranging from the simplest ones, consisting in painting the lamp glasses with a narrow gap through the application of special covers with a small hole and made of fabric, to quite complicated accessories. The company Notek has just developed a trail headlight, which we know today under the term Notek, which was mounted on German tanks and military vehicles on the left side of the vehicle, not only in motorcycles with one exception, SDKFZ2 Kettenkrad. The 35-watt bulb under the hooded housing shines backwards against a mirror. That reflected light spills out onto the roadway from under the helmet-like hood. It illuminates the road to about 30 meters to 40 meters ahead of the vehicle in a roughly 25-meter swath. The light had 3 settings: dim, medium, and full. The dim setting made the vehicle's light invisible from the air at altitudes above 500 meters. Lights on the full setting became hard to see at over 1,950 meters.